start. Why is this? No. Ah!
Press start.
Hey everyone! Dan here and welcome back to another Minecraft video where today we are inside another custom map and this one is called This Map Makes Sense. Now I don't think that's going to be true because this is a sequel to the two impossible quiz maps, the what did I call them? The impossible quiz and the idiot test. Are you done? Those are the maps that this is a sequel of. Apparently it's the finale of the trilogy, so let's click here to start the map. Smiley face. Oh, why do I have TNT in my inventory? Yep, that is why. Wait, what? My sanity is very small. Stop that! Stop it! Stop it! Okay, I think I know what's going on here. Click here. Yeah, good one, good one. This is literally the theme of the map. Well, this is pretty cool. Check this out, guys. This is amazing, but I don't really know what to do now, and my sanity is like minus 1 million, 1.3 million. That's not a good start. Ooh, I can fly around. Where do I go? It's the infinite webs of Minecraft. Seriously, what do I do? Is it because my sanity is so unbelievably low that I can't do anything with my brain? I've actually gone insane. There's got to be something going down here. I'm gonna click. I done it. I don't know what did I even click? You've come here. I just had to click here. So that's literally what's going to happen in this map. Welcome, guys, to This Map Makes Sense. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. But this map makes you want to think that. It makes you want to think that it's 15, but it could be 555, 550, 20, or 15. Look, if I go into 15, it's gonna tell me I'm wrong. Fantastic. My sanity is minus 168,000. That's better than it was before. It's 555, right? No, it's not that either. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20! No, and I've died already. So if you died 3 times, this map will literally reset, which is crazy. Where is the word that I need? It's this one. Yes, okay. So we've tried 2 of them already. That didn't work. I'm guessing this